February 15th. This is the day you will likely quit. The statistics are brutal. 80% of people drop their goals in the first 6 weeks. They return to their old habits, their old weakness, and their old lives. Right now, you feel excited. You are high on New Year dopamine. But let me tell you the dark truth. Dopamine is a liar. If you rely on this feeling to save you in 2026, you are already dead. Why do you fail every single year? It is not because you are lazy. It is because you are trying to run new software on an old, corrupted operating system. You write down, I want to lose 10 kilos, but you haven't killed the fat person living inside your head. You say, I want to be rich, but you still consume content like a poor person. You cannot build a skyscraper on quicksand. To change your life, you don't need a new goal. You need a funeral for your old self. This is the ghost mode secret: identity over motivation. Motivation is asking, do I feel like working out today? Discipline is stating, I am an athlete. This is what I do. When you shift your identity, the friction disappears. You don't need willpower to brush your teeth, right? Because that is just who you are. Stop trying to do better. Decide to be someone else. Kill the version of you that negotiates with the alarm clock. Here is your battle plan for 2026. Only 3 rules. Rule number 1. Inputs define outputs. If you consume garbage content, you will produce garbage results. Cut the noise. Starve your distractions so your focus can feed. Rule number 2. Friction design. Make your bad habits impossible. Delete the apps. Throw away the junk food. If you have to fight your environment every day, you will lose. Rig the game in your favor. Rule number 3. Fall in love with the pain. Success isn't a movie montage. It is doing the same reps in the dark when nobody is clapping. If it was easy, everyone would be a king. Most people will wait for January 1st. They are tourists. The top 1%. Start tonight. Don't let 2026 be another year of almost. Become undeniable. If you are ready to kill your old self, comment below, I will not fail. And start your first task now.